In this video today we are going to learn about how to edit a photo, which means to change a photo, by rotating it, turning it, and cropping it or cutting part of it off. So the first thing that you guys are going to need to do is you're going to have to open your photo. So I'm going to type in the word roll to find my camera roll folder. I want to go up to see the one that actually has pictures inside of the folder. I click on that. Okay, I open up my picture that I want to edit or change. And once I have that open, you'll notice at the top there are a couple editing options. Okay, this one just allows you to zoom in and look at something more closely. We don't really need to do that. We certainly don't want to delete it, and this heart adds it to a different folder. The only two we really need to know about are these last two: rotate, which is the little curved arrow, and crop, okay, which looks like a square with a slash through it. Sometimes when you guys get a picture or you take a picture with your device, it might come out upside down or sideways, something like this. So you want to click on that rotate bar as many times as you need to until it looks like it is upright, okay, so that you're looking at it head on. And then with crop, okay, if you click that button, your screen is going to change a little bit. You're going to notice that it highlights your picture, or it frames it with this little white border, and there's 4 little dots, one on each corner. If you move your mouse or your trackpad, so your finger moves on the trackpad to go over top of one of those circles, you click with one finger, and then using a different finger on the trackpad, you slide, okay, and move your mouse over until you frame it the way you want to. You can also use your finger directly on your screen and click and drag those little white dots until you like what you see inside the frame. Okay, you want to try, sometimes you'll notice like I have a little extra table there, and because I really don't want to see the table, I'm just cutting a teeny bit of my artwork off. And when you like what you have inside your frame, the very last step is to save the picture. So I'm going to go down where it says save a copy, and I'm going to click that button. I am trying to click it. Okay, there we go. And you'll notice the screen says saving a copy. It kind of flashes, and that means you are all good to go. So now if I close this, when I look inside my folder again, I notice right over here, I have that cropped version, the rotated and cropped version of my picture. Okay, so it's saved a brand new file that doesn't have the outside border. All right, I hope that this video is helpful and that you guys have fun editing your photos.